Carefree Mother's Day, let Komffy Maids take care of the cleaning. In each of our stories, there's a figure that shines brightly, an endless source of love, sacrifice, and dedication, our mothers. From the moment we enter the world, our mothers envelop us in a warm embrace and teach us the meaning of unconditional love. At Komffy Maids, we understand that time is the most valuable gift we can offer our loved ones. That's why we're committed to providing exceptional cleaning services that allow mothers to relax and enjoy a well-deserved break without worrying about household chores. Our highly trained team is dedicated to taking the cleanliness of your home to the next level. From vacuuming and mopping to disinfecting and polishing, we take care of every detail to ensure your home shines with freshness and clarity. We use high-quality cleaning products and specialized techniques that guarantee exceptional results with each visit. Whether you need a one-time cleaning for Mother's Day or want to establish a regular cleaning schedule, we're here to help. Imagine the relief on your mother's face when she returns home to find every corner impeccably clean, every surface gleaming with freshness, and every room filled with tranquility. This Mother's Day, let Komffy Maids take care of the cleaning so your mother can relax and fully enjoy her day. Let's celebrate the women who have given us so much love and support over the years. Contact us today to book your cleaning and make this day a true tribute to the woman who deserves it all. Komffy Maids, because every mother deserves a spotless home.